Welcome to HE Machine. In production, improving efficiency and reducing costs are challenges we all face. Today, I'm introducing our custom-designed uncoiling and leveling combined machine to optimize your production process. The uncoiler section features a material pressing arm to secure materials, supporting diameters from 400 mm to 508 mm. The leveling section uses a 4/3 correction structure, handling materials from 0.3 mm to 3.2 mm thick for precise leveling. For high-speed feeding, we've added a gantry photoelectric sensor frame, ensuring efficiency and precision. The servo feeder has an adjustable base, easily meeting different height requirements. The system uses Siemens technology, customized to meet specific client needs, ensuring reliable performance. This machine is designed to enhance efficiency and streamline your workflow. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly.